In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best OBS settings to record Roblox. First of all, you have to update your OBS Studio. So launch your OBS Studio and here click on Help and just click on Check for Updates and then go ahead and make sure to update OBS Studio to the latest version. Then go to your settings. In settings, select Output. Output mode, select Advanced and select the Recording tab. Here click on this recording format and select .mp4 recording format. Then click on this video encoder and select your graphics card. And then select the Streaming tab and here under encoder settings click on Record Control and select CQP and CQ level, enter 18 to 22 for lower, better quality, higher, smaller file. And preset, select quality, profile, select high. Then go to the video section and here click on Base Canvas Resolution drop down and select your monitor resolution. And then click on Output Scaled Resolution and select 9020 by 1080. Or you can select 2560 by 1440 if you want ultra quality. Then click on this downscale filter and here you have to select this option Lens Jaws and click on this FPS drop down and select here 60 frame per second or 120 if you really want smooth footage and your PC can handle it. After that, just click on Apply and click on OK. Now go ahead and add your OBS game source. Here, just click on this plus icon, click on Game Capture, click on OK, and here Mode, select Capture Specific Window and click on this window drop down and here you have to select your Roblox and then click on OK. Then just click on Start Recording and that's how you can actually record our Roblox in best settings.